Uh, Attack and defense. Horns. Um, One group of plant-eating dinosaurs was armed with long, sharp horns. This group was the rhinoceros-like ceratopsians. They lived in herds and used their horns to threaten enemies and charge at large attacking predators. Male ceratopsians also locked horns when competing with each other for territory and mates. Here you can see nose horn dinosaur. Styracosaurus defended itself against predators with its nose horn. Here you can see the nose horn, and here neck frill used to display the dinosaur's status in the herd, and here bony frill spikes, and this is the nose horn. And here Triceratops, three-horned dinosaur. The long-horned made the Triceratops a formidable opponent when it's charged at an attacker. Here you can see nose horn, and here brow horns up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet in length, and here neck frill protected the neck from the predator's jaws. Chasmosaurus, the longest horned dinosaur. Chasmosaurus probably used its horns to fight over territory. Here you can see a short nose horn, and here the long brow horns like those of a cow, and here neck frills, and here holes in the neck frill lightened its weight. Pack hunting. Pack hunting.
Like these lions, flesh-eating dinosaurs probably hunted in packs. Lions prey on herds of plant-eating animals. They stay close to the herd, waiting for the right moment to strike. When a member of the herd becomes isolated, they go in for the kill. Predator dinosaurs may have behaved like these ferocious Komodo dragons. By working as a team, they can attack prey larger than themselves, providing enough food for all.
Armor. Animals have many ways of defending themselves from being attacked. Some have armor to deter predators from biting or slashing their bodies. The ankylosaurs were armed dinosaurs, and the Ankylosaur edmontonia was protected by the covering bony plates and sharp spikes. Here, predators, a carnivorous flesh-eating animal that kills and eats other animals, which are known as its prey. Predators also are adapted for catching their prey by having sharp vision, a good sense of smell, and ability to move very quickly. Ankylosaurs, a group of plant-eating dinosaurs whose body and head were protected by an armor of bony plates. Ankylosaurs walk on four legs and belongs to the Thyrophorons, shield-bearing dinosaurs. The Thyrophorons were a group of ornithischian bird-hipped dinosaurs that had plates or spikes. Here, the armored body's protective armor appears in many forms, including bony plates, spikes, spines, and shells. Here, Edmontonia, the armor plates here, the inner row to shield the neck and shoulders. Here, the tail plates. These small, rich plates covered the tough skin of the tail.
Edmontonia had bony and ridged plates that protected the neck, shoulders, back and tail. Some modern animals also have defensive body armour. The tortoise's short body is enclosed in a bony shell. When the tortoise is in danger, the retractable head and retractable legs are drawn into the shell. An armadillo's body is covered with a flexible horny shield. When threatened, the armadillo curls up into a ball so that only its armoured parts are exposed. The hedgehog erects its spines in response to a threat and rushes backwards or to the side to scare off its attacker.
Claws and thumb spikes. Many flesh-eating dinosaurs used their sharp, curved claws to attacking prey. Because carnivores walked on two legs, their arms were free to grasp prey in their claws. Some herbivores had hoof-like claws and thumb spike, which they used defensively against attackers. Here, carnivores describe an animal that eats mainly or entirely meat. Most carnivorous animals are predators that feed by hunting other animals. Carnivorous dinosaurs include giant Tyrannosaurus and the pack hunter Deinonychus. Herbivores describe an animal that eats only plant food. Most herbivorous dinosaurs had special teeth for grinding plant material. Herbivorous dinosaurs include the huge Apatosaurus and the large plated Stegosaurus. Here you can see a thumb spike used to stab an attacker in the neck. Hoofed fingers formed a foot when dinosaur was walking on all fours. Outer finger here. Here, when threatened by a spike thumb, when threatened by a predator, Iguanodon may have reared up and stabbed his attacker with its spiked thumb.
Iguanodon's hand looked remarkably human. It had a thumb spike which was probably used as a weapon. The sharp point could have penetrated an attacker's hide, inflicting vicious wounds.
Tails. Some plant-eating dinosaurs used their tail as a defensive weapon. Massive sauropods lashed out its predators with their whip-like tail. Armored ankylosaurs used their heavy tail club to fell attackers, and Stegosaurus swung their spiked tail to drive the spike into their enemies. Here the sauropods, a group of large, immense plant-eating dinosaurs. Sauropods, lizard-footed dinosaurs, walk on all four legs and usually had a long neck and long tail. The huge Brachiosaurus was a sauropod. Sauropod belongs to one of the two subgroups of sauropodomorphs, lizard feet forms. The sauropodomorphs were a group of Saurischian lizard-hipped dinosaurs. Here the predators, a carnivorous flesh-eating animal that kills and eats other animals, which are known as its prey. Predators are adapted for catching their prey by having sharp vision, a good sense of smell, and ability to move very quickly. Ankylosaurs, a group of plant-eating dinosaurs whose body and head were protected by an armor of body plates. Ankylosaurs walk on all four legs and belongs to the Thyreophorans, shield-bearing dinosaurs. The Thyreophorans were a group of ornithischian bird-hipped dinosaurs that had plates or spikes. Stegosaurs, a group of plant-eating dinosaurs with two rows of plates and or spines running down the neck, back and tail. Stegosaurus work on all four legs and belongs to Thyreophorans, shield-bearing dinosaurs, a group of ornithischian bird-hip dinosaurs that had protective plates or spike. Here you can see a tail club. Pliocephalus had a very heavy club formed from two bony lumps at the end of its strong muscular tail. Here the tail backbones formed the framework for the long flexible tail. Here the powerful muscles